In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Rocket Money account on your desktop. Let's dive in and make the process simple and straightforward for you to follow. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Rocket Money and hit enter. In the list of results, look for the Rocket Money website link that usually reads Find and Cancel Subscriptions, Track Your Spending, and click on it. This will take you directly to the Rocket Money homepage where you can begin the process of creating an account. Once you're on the Rocket Money website, look for the Sign Up button and give it a click. This will redirect you to the registration page where you'll need to provide some personal information to set up your account. Start by entering your name in the designated field. Make sure to use your full legal name for consistency, especially if you intend to link it to financial accounts later. Next, enter your email address. Double check to ensure it's correctly spelled, as this will be the primary way Rocket Money will contact you and where they will send account verifications and updates. After that, you'll see an option to agree to the Rocket Money Terms of Service. Carefully review their terms if you're curious, and once you're satisfied, check the box to confirm your agreement. Now, click on the button labeled Get Started. Following that, you'll be prompted to set a password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used elsewhere to ensure the security of your account. When you're done, click Continue. At this stage, Rocket Money will ask you to select your financial goals, whether it's saving money, reducing expenses, or just keeping track of subscriptions. Make selections that align with your financial intentions to tailor your Rocket Money experience optimally. After making your choices, click Continue. You might encounter a couple of screens asking you to highlight certain features or options. These steps are meant to familiarize you with the platform's capabilities, so click Highlight as prompted and continue through the sequence. Once you've completed these introductory steps, you'll be asked to proceed with linking your financial account. Follow the prompts to add and choose your account. Enter your account details as required for verification purposes. This connection will allow Rocket Money to help manage your subscriptions and finances more effectively. After you've completed linking your account, click Become a Member. Finally, once everything is set up, you'll have the option to download the Rocket Money app for seamless access and management on the go. This step is optional but highly recommended for ease of use. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Rocket Money account on a desktop.